Okay. The river is right over past that tree and picnic table. The purpose of this video is to show how the water drains down the driveway that I created. And that's running fast. It's smoking. Huh, look at this, where it's entering from. This is interesting. Huh. There's an oak tree that I planted. Huh. Molly's outhouse. Never used. Okay, so this is an area that I dread crossing. So we'll just see if we can make the best of it. Tippy-toeing. Ooh, a little high area there. Oh, this is just nasty. Man. Oh, darn. I should have brought my skid loader up here last week when it was dry and graded all this. I haven't had any dry conditions putting in all this shale in the past 30 days. And up there's the end. Three Brothers Retreat, River Lot.